Hello, I've got new glasses and I've also got a new parcel just delivered. Right, well, true to form, as I've unpacked the new arrival and set it up, it's started to rain, seeing as we're now into British summertime. Yes, June the 4th or something like that. So what I've got is, it's a brand new ladder set up. It's got multiple positions it can go in. It can also be a platform. It's going to be very, very useful, and it's going to make life a lot easier for some of the jobs that I do. The first thing I did was look at the instruction manual, and this is a song mix ladder. I think it's made in Germany, and it's a GLT36, and I got it off Temu, and I'll leave the product link in the description below for those of you that bother to read that sort of thing, or might want to get yourself one of these after you watch this video. So yeah, looking at the manual, it's quite straightforward. It just tells you what should be in there. The ladder is ready assembled. The two platforms that come with it can be detached, and when you store it, they can be attached to the ladder, so that saves you losing them and looking for them at another point. There's two stabilising feet that go on each end that they're not attached for when it's in its shipping format, and so all you'll need for that is there's 4 bolts and nuts that are supplied, and they are locking nuts, and there's instructions on how to do it. All you're going to need to put the feet on is, I just use 2 adjustable spanners. You can use correct size ones if you want. These will do the job, and there'll still be the same amount of swearing. Right, well, now it's stopped raining, we'll have a look at what this thing is that I've bought. This is the traditional setup where the ladders are just set up as a normal set of ladders, and I'm pleased to say they're a lot taller than the ones I've already got, and certainly tall enough for the cabin. I'm really happy with these, they're great. Very, very solidly made. Yeah, really good. And here's another way of setting them up, so you can gain access to a roof without treading all over the guttering, I presume. Not something I'll be using really. But hey, it's another setup. Another way that I wanted to use the setup, ladder setup, platform setup, is for when I'm doing this side hedge, which is on a bank, which is really difficult to get at, and for that I'm going to configure it like this. So there you see, it's in kind of like an L shape, and I've got the platform legs on top. There you go. Sorry, the platform boards on top, located in the rungs, not the legs as I said before, and that's a pretty sturdy setup, and will make it easier for doing this, because with it being on a bank, it's really, really difficult to do. And yeah, that's a neat little setup there. Very, very sturdy. And once again, check that the legs are locked into position, very important. These are the stabilising feet that you need to attach. There's 2 of them, 1 goes each end. They slot into this gap here. They slot into this gap here. And then the nuts and bolts just go through there, tied up there, and there's 1 each end. In this position, the ladders turn into a platform, which would be great for doing things like the back hedge down there. I'll put it in the alleyway the other side, stand on top, and that'll put me nicely above the hedge, and it'll make it easier for cutting the top of the hedge. For each configuration of the ladder, you must make sure that the locking position is activated, so the legs are locked into place and can't move, and that's the release catch for the locking position, so you can change the setup of the ladders. Everywhere the ladders pivot, there's one of these locking mechanisms, and you must make sure that it's locked before you go climbing all over it. And these locking mechanisms are on the pivot points on both sides of the ladder, and you must check both sides are locked before you go climbing all over the ladders. It comes with these aluminium flat platforms with grippers, and they slot into place. They hook onto the ladder legs, and they can only go in one way really, and they'll sit like this as well when you want to store the ladders, so you don't lose them. Good that, innit? And that's the whole thing folded away and anchor locked to the shed. So I am extremely happy with them, and I can't get over how rock solidly made they are and how cheap they were. So there you go, the Song Mix collapsible, foldable ladder platform doohickey, whatever you want to call it. Just how much did I pay for this Stairway to Heaven? Originally, I think it was up for, let me see now, £81.78 with free postage because it's already in the country. But there was a promo offer and I think I only paid £77.70. Brilliant, what a bargain. They have a similar thing on eBay and you'd be looking at spending about 130 quid to get the same thing that I got for £77.70. Like I say, I'll leave the product code in the description. God, Jimmy Page and those boys from Led Zeppelin are going to be really jealous, aren't they, eh? It's a I'm going to start again. Foldable ladder platform didgeridoo thing. I'm going to say that again.